first, or your alarm goes off. I never usually use my impact first, but it's cold. And that's exactly why I don't. Pista. That's a tire. Ow. Look at that fitment. Look at that fitment! Look at it! Just look at it!
Look at that. That's nice and shiny.
Now I keep this on me.
You know what I mean? But, you know, I pack that thing too. So you come around this way, you will get caught.
Because I'm afraid that it's going to like loosen, and then I'll also retorque after like 50 miles of driving. I'm also very afraid that it will loosen on its own from having the Mustang and it doing that, and not having the right lug nuts for drag pack. Thankfully, I've become smarter since then.
Are you sure about that?
I may still have a dumb moment any time. Come on, let's go. Doggy door. Best thing I've ever had. Okay. Head to the meet. It started raining a little bit, but let's see who shows up. We got Josh here.
Yes, sir.
I can't even see. Jesus.
Is it dark?
It's very dark. Still dark. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, we're headed to the meet. How's it going? Good. Cold. How's it going? Got some more people showing up too. We got a good little crowd out tonight. Only bad part about tonight is it's raining, and I did not expect that, to be honest. But I'm gonna go have a car up too, like the rest of them. Car sounds great. Wow. Huh?
What's his name? The old 3-valve, the ProCharge 3-valve?
Damien?
Damien, yeah.
No, I don't think so. We got another group over here too. Hello. Yeah, truck. Focus ST. We got a pig. A really good crowd for this being rainy. It's pouring the rain at the moment, and it was supposed to be clear all day. Now it's pouring the rain. Like literally.
Beautiful earlier.
Yeah, it's literally pouring the rain now. Is that an Eclipse with a wang? Throw back to Too Fast, Too Furious, man. I love it. I know. Hello. Oh no, my lens. The only bad part right now. What's up, Tyler?
Oh, hey, what's up?
Gen 2 car. Subaru BRZ. Love seeing a BRZ. That's clean. How's it going? Is that yours?
Yes.
I love the wing on it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry.
This car and this is a long
Beautiful. Check that thing out. Check that out. Very nice. Take over your truck. We got a bunch of trucks out too coming out here. Looking good. Hopefully soon we'll see his EcoBoost out again. Josh's Camaro.